Take your content creation game to another level by using a tool that will proofread, edit, and suggest content before you post it. Now, I am talking about ChatGPT. This tool can level up your content creation game from 50 to 1000 if you use it well. In this video, I am not just going to be showing you about how you can use ChatGPT, but I will also show you how you can use this tool to maximize your viewership, your content creation, and every other thing you will be doing on social media. The good thing about this tool is that it is quite very personalized. You can speak to it as if you're talking to a human being. Feel free to make your own research even before you start using it. Simply go to your Google and type ChatGPT, or you can go to your Play Store and download the app. Remember, this is a personalized tool that can help you generate beautiful content depending on the prompt you give it. I will simply go over to ChatGPT. I will be so comprehensive in my explanation so that it can be able to generate a comprehensive content for me that would give me good audience. Okay, so what if you are busy but still want to use ChatGPT? It is something I will show you at the end of the video, but for now, let us move forward. Firstly, you have to understand that this is an artificial intelligence tool. What it gives you is exactly what you requested of it, so you have to be very careful in how you dish out your instructions. Okay, let's assume that I am a baker and I want to generate content for my baking business, and my kitchen is in my home, and I live in the eastern part of Nigeria. And yes, so I will simply introduce my business and ask the AI to help me out in generating 30 days content ideas for my social media platforms. Okay, so this is how I would do it. So I will simply say, hi, I'm Juliet, and I am a baker. I live in Nigeria, in the eastern part. I have my baking kitchen in my home, and my customers are in my states. Can you help me generate 30 days content ideas for my social media platforms? Understand that my main consumers are mothers, children, younger men, and women. Thanks. Have you seen that it has given me a weekly content idea that I can use? One thing with ChatGPT is that it can preserve a memory for you if you ask it to. So what I do most of the time is, if there is a particular detail that I don't want to forget, or something I know I will always come back to ChatGPT for, I will simply ask it to memorize it. So let me show you how I do that. I can simply say, the name of my baking business is Baked with Love, and I want you to help me generate 3 beautiful tagline samples that I can use. Taglines that I can pick from. Let's see what it's going to give us. Okay, are you seeing what I am seeing right here? And this is why I told you that if you are a busy person, you can use ChatGPT to generate things that you want to generate for your everyday life, especially if you are an entrepreneur. Now, about the parts I said I will show you at the end of the video, it is the voiceover section of ChatGPT. In case you are busy and you have a lot in your hands, you can simply use the voiceover part where you click on the tool that I'm going to show you, and you voice out your prompt, and ChatGPT will generate your prompt into words and still give you exactly what you want. All you have to do is to come over here to the voice over part and voice your request. Click on this and I can say I have a promo coming up on Easter. I intend to make a 20% discount on every order I get. Can you help me plan it out? Are you seeing what I mean? It has automatically transformed my words into text and I can easily click here, send. Exactly. So I have my promo plan. So if you are a business owner, small or big business owner, this is something you don't want to miss. It is a business owner's best friend. You don't want to miss this, okay? And in case you are super busy to even touch your screen, you can simply come over here and click, and then you'll be able to chat with the AI. Instead of it converting your words into written text, it will simply convert them into written text and still read out its answers to you. This is what I mean. Hi.
Hey Juliet, how's your day going?
It is going beautifully well. Can you help me please? Give me another promo plan, because the one you gave me already, I think I want an extra promo plan so that I can choose the best from it.
Got it. Here's another formal and structured Easter promo plan for Baked with Love with a 20% discount on all orders. Easter promo execution plan. Phase 1, pre-promo awareness, April 3.
That is what I am talking about. So with all those features and ChatGPT, you can take your content creation game to the next level. I hope I have been able to convince you and not confuse you that ChatGPT is good for your business and your everyday life. Thank you. I also have a video on how to remove background noise from your videos or audios. It is also something that you might want to learn if you want to up your content creation game, okay? If you liked the video you just watched, kindly subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to like, comment, and ask your questions if you have any. So go ahead and watch it. I will leave the link of that video in the comment section, okay? See you in my next video.